Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining. My name is Scott Immel. I'm a principal consultant here at Veeva, and today we're going to talk about Vault SafetyDocs and how to streamline the pharmacovigilance system master file, the management of that, and gaining global visibility in the process. As you can see, I've logged into Vault SafetyDocs, a web-based tool, right? And the centerpiece of the system is the library. Before we get directly into the PSMF, I just wanted to point out that Vault SafetyDocs can be used for lots of different use cases. Anything from writing your end-to-end aggregate reports, housing your risk mitigation, your REMS, your RMPs, creating, editing, authoring, reviewing, and approving your contractual agreements, your PVAs, your STEAs. And as I've been scrolling through here, you can see it's being used for lots of different document types for the safety team. Now, when we focus on the PSMF, you can see here that when I click on that, I'm saying, let's look at all the PSMF related documents. Now, these orange symbols are actually binders. A binder is a collection of documents. And if you see, as I scroll down, I've got certain documents like Section B, Annex A, and maybe Sections 1 through 7. So it's a myriad of documents and binders. And the binder concept is kind of unique because if you think about it, the PSMF, according to GVP Module 2, is that it has to have your sections 1 through 7 and your annexes A through I. In the past, you might have created your own sort of structure in a shared drive. Today, this structure comes out of the box where all these yellow areas are automatically found by just creating a new PSMF binder. And we have placeholders that hold the place, meaning that we need these documents to be created. And some of these documents are used across many different binders. When we think about how we do business, you might have your core, your EU PSMF. You might have one in the United Kingdom, in India, Indonesia, Macedonia. So there's all these different regions. So you might have multiple PSMFs because you have certain regions where you require it. A document can be housed in multiple PSMFs. And then as you think about, okay, I'm doing business, let's say in Serbia, I might have some unique documents for that Serbian PSMF that I would house here. So what's nice is that you can use certain documents over and over again as core, and certain documents will be party to just that particular region. Now, a few other concepts that I want to get across here. You have the ability in our system to run what's called the logbook. The logbook, when configured, says, well, what would it look like if I wanted to see all the high-level nature of all the changes that have been occurring? So you simply hit Run Logbook Report, and then you could upload that report back into the PSMF structure here. So what that would look like is that down below, you'll have a section that says the logbook, and you can see the high-level nature of all the changes to all the documents in that PSMF binder. The second thing I wanted to talk about quickly is that you can merge all of the documents. Let's say you've got 35 documents in a binder. You can merge it all into one overarching PDF. And what that looks like here is that it concatenates it by date of when you've generated it. And then if you're ever audited, you could simply come in here and say, yep, let's run the merge PDF. Let's give this to the auditor, and the auditor could poke around from document to document. You could also run some really nice reports and dashboards. So if you have further questions around the PSMF or even Vault SafetyDocs, please reach out to your local Veeva representative. And I want to say thank you for your time today.